The project is an opportunity for computer science students to get involved in the local community. It lasts for approximately 12 weeks. It's an opportunity for students to put their learning into practice. They will work with a local charity who have a technical issue that they can't afford to get somebody in to solve for themselves.
I was working with the Nottingham Elders Forum. So they are helping elderly people in the city of Nottingham. The original issue was that they had duplicate documents on multiple machines. There was an issue with wireless printing, they hadn't got that set up. And it was various kind of just IT issues really. The difference is really noticeable when we actually present them an idea or a solution that we found. They're just so happy that they have someone helping them. And I think that's really, I enjoy that a lot when they talk to us and say, oh, this is really good. Especially when we provide the solution, they use it, and then we come back next week or whatever, and then we can see it in action, we can see it is actually helping them and changing their lives.
I really wanted to gain some experience from the field so that I could apply what I was learning in lectures into a real working environment. I think it's quite a unique thing to have on your CV. It also gives you a greater idea of what you want to do after university, so it's a nice trial run.
Throughout the project, the students are provided with workshops from the Careers and Employability Service. They include presentation skills, team working skills, and thinking outside the box.
So there's been many workshops that's been provided, which has been fantastic. A lot of them have been about presentation and the meetings with the clients, and they've been really, really useful. So they've been, built my confidence. I can now properly talk to clients and explain to them really clearly the point, because quite a key feature is that, especially with my projects, is they don't necessarily understand big computer terms. So we have to explain things multiple times, make metaphors up and things like that. So that's really helped me become a proper IT consultant in that terms.
Along with the workshops, the students are supported by technical advisors who are members of the university's IS department. They know exactly the whole ins and outs of everything to do with IT, so they get a lot of support from those people. And similarly, we have meetings regularly to discuss progress and catch up with the advisors and the students so that everyone feels supported and to check there's no problems along the way.
Throughout the students' placements, the students have asked for a variety of types of help. So it's been based on sort of software help, hardware issues that these charities have come across. So they might want to have advice on sort of storage solutions, so cloud services, might have asked questions about sort of buying software and hardware. So it's been basically given advice on places to go to look for information, and just generally sort of quite a mixture from web solutions to hardware to software programming.
It's a great opportunity, and as far as I know, no other institute does this or anything similar, so it's a great stepping stone after university.
It's a fantastic experience. It's really good for employers because they love it when you have real life work experience, and they love it even more when you have charitable work experience. So it's a fantastic way to start talking your interviews, and it looks really good on your CV. So I'd recommend anybody to try this because it's a fantastic experience.